Hello gamers, welcome to like 15 FPS gameplay. Whoa! Anyway, so this game called Slime Rancher, there's a sequel coming out. So, I need to do this series like fast before the sequel. So, they'll just cut halfway through the series, so yeah. No, I do have another save. That I made just so I can like get comfortable with the controls on you, because I have beaten this game several times, except my I have beaten this game except I not used PC. I never did that. We 1,000 light years unplaced. I can't English. My Englishing is not good. Yeah, I know how to play video games. How to act like a rancher. Dun-dun-dun-dun. They put things in the corral. Cool. I do not know. Also, I have the freaking what's it called, Secret Styles pack installed. So we'll have to. There, I did it. Tasty food acquired. Yeah, it's called Cuteness Simulator 9000 for a reason. So this is you guys, I'm freaking I do not know how to set up freaking I do not know how to set up videos. I suck at it. I covers about the basics. Yeah, I do not care. I just need a dry leaf. I'm not used to having only 100 energy. It sucks. No, I will make a YouTube video on Teardown, except my computer might actually explode, so, yeah. I can, except my computer might not like me, as in, wants to kill me. Look at this feet. Look at this feet. There's no freaking crouch button. There's seriously no crouch in this game. You see. Okay. Well, I've been lied to. Eat my food. Eat my food, Mr. Pink Slims. Mr. Pink Slim Jims. No. I might just like instantly go somewhere, because I have like 3 years of freaking memory backed up in my brain. Because there was like a week period where Slime Rancher was free. I got it on my Xbox, and Mail from Casey. I do not care. Yeah, I don't care. I do not. I does not care. I does not care. Yes. Yeah, can I? No, I'm over here. It's it's Dwayne the Rock Johnson slimes. That is a terrible joke. Okay. I don't actually remember if there was like an actual ending to this game. Well, I could just go to like 1,000 days or something, and be like, oh yeah, I'm doing Slime Rancher 2 now, assuming it came out by then. A really common choice is to is to make rock pink slimes. I'm not doing that. That is a dumb idea. They're worth 16. And that's that. This game is freaking insane. Okay, anyways, not making logos unless I have to, because it's a fact that I'm poor. Yeah, it's a fact that I'm poor. It's a fact that that mini slimes are cuter, and therefore better. Apparently, yeah. No. No. And wham. And wham. No. Okay, I need the freaking garden. Oh, there's 3 plots in a row that are 48. Cool. Okay. 30, what? Oh look, I've been freaking had the same amount of money twice in a row in a single day. Slime Rancher. Man. Anyone just eat the stupid hen? Oh, bounce into someone's, one of the freaking slime's mouths or something, I don't know. And golden. There we go. Wait. I freaking messed up. I messed up except, wait. It costs 10 freaking whatever the hell coins there are to. Oh my god, this game sucks. Even though it's my childhood, sort of. I haven't played this game in almost like 3 years. No, 2. Hey, look. Hey! I will feed you. Wait, no, I'm supposed to feed you with the carrots. And you with the fruits. Yeah, that's how physics works. And my headphone volume is very loud. There we go. So I'm just gonna go to the end of day 2, and you know. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If I don't upload a video for a year, that's because my computer has been fried from making a teardown video. And also I'm planning to upload daily. Or at least, you know, more than the like one short video a freaking like 2 months. 2 months. Wait, no. I need you. And one of you. Switch out the crops. Bam, wham. There. You happy? OCD? Or like the true people watching that have OCD, aka like well, if anyone with anyone with OCD watching, I fixed it. Duh 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 duh. I fixed it. Welcome. Happy. You anti-mad. You can't really describe it. Also, I don't have to deal with a freaking stupid mouse wheel. I can press keys. Okay, anyways, I am rich! Sort of. I only have 610 bucks. I'm just gonna... that there. And I'm gonna get more Dwayne The Rock Johnson slimes. That's still a terrible joke. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, right, yeah, there was the logos? No. Why is there a freaking Lucky Slime here? What the hell? Most random. Oh, look, it's it's Quicksilver. What the hell is Quicksilver? What? What the hell is a Quicksilver? You know what? Wait. Oh, the freaking the ranch expansion. Yeah, the ranch expansion. Only secret styles. What should I get? Heavy metal. I just need a freaking oh wait, Dwayne slimes. Dwayne's. Mini Dwayne. That's Tabby Cat. Tabby Slam, not Tabby Cat. Still take these. You just can't deny Tabby Slimes. You can't. You will be mooted. I'm just grabbing chickadoos. What the hell? Why am I grabbing chickadoos? I have absolutely no freaking idea. Right, there's a secret styles thing here, I think? Nope, it's not here, but there's a Easter egg. Just gonna leave that here. Just gonna leave that here till, like, day 1 million. Oh, there's the pink one. Oh, right, I don't have a jetpack, I can't. God damn it. Ah! Hey, hello gamers, hello. Ah! Stony hen. No, stone. Oh, they're right, there's a path thing here, I can. Chicken flap. That is a freaking tiny thing. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it there to death. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Dun-na-na-na. I've absolutely no idea what to talk about. As a YouTuber / human, I'm supposed to talk, so I don't care about your freaking map data acquired checkmark things of what? I just said checkmark thing. Just a checkmark thing. That's the most random thing I've ever said in this video. Give me the pink slime! Woo! I mean, it was kind of obvious. I didn't know. I'll just guess, but you know, that thing. You know, yeah, it's kind of obvious when you know there's a freaking pink logo right there. Wait, is it logo? I don't freaking know. It was like, no, it's Gordo, not logo. Logo is the freaking double slim Jim. Double Slim Jim. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, fellow Dwaynes, I have some Dwaynes. I have some more Dwayne friends for you. I have more Dwayne friends for you. More Dwaynes. Ow! Owie. Don't want to make logos, so don't exit out of your freaking cage. That sounded way way worse in practice. Yeah, just stay in your pool. I totally didn't say anything, you know, like a freaking I forgot what it's called. Freaking human catcher. I don't know what I'm saying. Hat 69. Cool. Well, that tabby looked like he yeah, he my English. I need to go to English class, grade 1. Please. Send me back to kindergarten. Coop. Cock. Yeah, I'm a cock. Hey! Back. Wait. There was... Hey! Why the hell do you keep escaping? What? Oh my god. Yeah, I need high... You do not. No. That's illegal. So it's me. I am illegal, apparently. No. I know it's like 11, but I'm just gonna sleep. Yeah. Just 11. But there's a rooster over here. Thank you. Hey! Hey! Back. Go. Eat. 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 Yeah, I need high walls on these fucking things. Okay, give me your food. Give me your food. Give me your food, poo. Give me your profits. Thank you. No. My hands are full. All of the tabby slimes got out in 2 minutes. Minus the 2. Hello. Eat. Eat. You should not eat, apparently. Why is everyone escaping from the chamber? You're supposed to be inside of your chamber. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, I fucking hate you. Get sent to the death pit. If you turn into a logo, I'm sending you to the death pit. Just wait. Hey! Here, I'll feed you some carrots. Eat some carrots if you're hungry. Yeah, thank you. Sorry you ran out of coconuts. Alright, I'm only. Damn it. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the profit, poop. That's what. Where's the 5th one? Oh wait, no, there is 5. Maybe there was an old freaking sound for the dispensing thing. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, but remember there was an older sound before they added oh. Well, it was before they added the freaking the freaking Cookadooba place, wild, yeah, that thing, place, area, thing, human, I don't freaking remember. I guess I'll see you guys never. Oh, hello, Beatrix. I don't know how to spell to pronounce your freaking name.